Hello YouTube, this is Delilah's YouTube page, Delilah Radio's YouTube page. Delilah, a tip for you would be, gosh, what can I say, to get some more YouTube videos onto this page. Why? You're lacking behind. You have 8 subscribers so far. You don't want to be behind me. I have 800 videos so far. Please subscribe to mine, Delilah, if you want to. Other than that, get going on your YouTube page and get some more videos in there. Also, if you can, here's what radio station managers are doing nowadays. I've seen a lot of these videos up on YouTube. They're showing off transmitter sites for their stations. I thought that would be a great idea to show off the transmitter site for the Delilah radio station. Other than that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.